guys, welcome to Get Your Fix. We're going to be installing some lightweight underdrive pulleys from Thundercloud Precision. They send a little sticker. That's him right there. You can find him on Facebook. Message him on there for any questions or anything you got. He's got excellent customer service, responds really fast. I had to contact him for my specific unit because I got the 4 rib. And I didn't see my underdrive that I needed, so I contacted him and he had it and sent it out right away. This is the part number for the belt that I had to change out to, for the smaller belt for all the underdrive stuff. He sends all new bolts, so there's the water pump right there. He labels them, and then the crank, I've already got them installed on there. But basically this is, their new Allens. And then on the Allen, so you can use 2 different sizes. You can either use the 5/32 or you can use the 4mm to install those bolts and tighten them up. When taking everything apart, I used an 11/16 for the crank bolt, and the little 5 little bolts I used an 8mm. To get those off. For the alternator, I used a 12mm. I'm sure most of you guys already know. You work on your geos and stuff like that, and you already know. But for those of you that don't, those are the parts that I used. Use just a little pry bar just to pop the crank pulley off. But I will turn the camera around and let you see what they look like. So this is them. It's the water pump pulley, and then the crank. And the crank is it's pretty small. It's a dinky little thing. So the underdrive is going to be significant. They're super light. I'll go underneath and show you what it looks like from underneath. All right, so that's what it looks like from underneath. As you can see, just need to tighten it all up. All right, guys, so that's them installed. I will finish installing them. I got to tighten them up. I'm going to start the car, let it run for a little bit, get a little video footage of that running for you. Once again, this is the belt number that I used, and it's like a 30-inch, 30.5 or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but that's the part number. It worked great. So once again, check out Thundercloud Performance. They're on Facebook. Go on there, message him, or if you want to just look him up online, you can pull him up online. He actually has a website where you can actually see all the pulleys and just buy them from there. But if you got any questions, he responds really quick from the Facebook Messenger. And on the Facebook, you'll see a bunch of pictures of some of his stuff, and it shows the weight difference, and you'll see there's actually an engine that actually looks pretty darn good. It's got the nice adjustable cam on there that matches with the underdrive pulleys. But once again, they look and seem to be good quality. Very good customer service. I mean, I got them really fast. I think it was 3 or 4 days is what it took. And he didn't charge for shipping, just the price of the pulleys. I think a lot of them are just going for $100 for the set. If you buy them individually, they're around like $60 a piece. But hey, check them out. If you got a Geo and you want to try them out, go try them out. He's got some that aren't underdrive either, that are just factory size, but they're lightweight, so it's going to make a difference no matter what. But give me a sec, I'll flip this camera around and let you guys see it running as soon as I tighten everything up. Alright guys, so there you go. They're on, installed, running. I did notice, obviously, shaking quite a bit. Alright guys, so that's them running, spinning, as you can see. Not sure why my engine sounds so loud in the camera, but it's not that loud when it's actually running. I did notice, I know you guys couldn't hear me, but I did notice that my engine's shaking a little bit more. That is because when I went and looked at my RPMs, they're down about 100, So normally I run right at 1,000 RPMs, and I'm just shy of 1,000. So I think that's because the underdrive is so much. I'll have to go test drive it and see, which Geos in general shake. So that's normal for these little engines to shake like that. But I'll probably up my RPMs a little bit, because if I run right at 1,000 RPMs, the engine barely shakes at all. Yeah, I mean, apologize now at the end of this video if it's not the best video. I do work nights. I'm super tired. I just wanted to get this video up and get these things installed for a couple guys who were skeptical on getting them, and a couple guys who actually got them that haven't installed them yet, but they were kind of wanting to see them installed. So I got that up, and then I told I told geez, I don't know why I can't remember this name. Thundercloud Precision. I keep wanting to call them something else, but Thundercloud Precision. Once again, excellent customer service. The product seems awesome. We'll review after a week of driving, let you know if I have any problems at all. Check out their Facebook. That's where I message them at. The email didn't work on the website to actually purchase them. But if you go to Facebook and use Messenger, he responds really quick. So hit him up. Looks like it's a good product. Like I said, after a week of driving the car, I will let you know what I think. We'll do another video, and then I'll adjust my RPMs up, my idle, and then we'll see what that does. But I'm pretty sure that it just made my idle go a little bit lower because of how significant the underdrive is. But yeah, go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys.